Hey, 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 what are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards. Wear your favorite colorful outfit. Wear it today, tomorrow, or this week to feel good and spread joy. Wearing a color you love can boost your mood. It can bring color to your own day and that of others. Be bold, be bright, be beautiful. Celebrate your uniqueness. Your life has magnitude. You are magnificent. Honor yourself with a grateful attitude. Community. I will stay close to people who feel like sunshine. When surrounded by my tribe, I find a reflection of my own soul and a reminder of all the good in the world. Innocence, inner child, play and nurture. I am light, pure divine essence. Clear intentions. With unwavering clarity, I set clear intentions towards my goals, infusing them with purpose and direction. I take deliberate and focused action, understanding that my intentions wield the power to shape and manifest my desired reality. Forgiveness. Healing comes from acceptance. Help me, dear Lord, to fully accept what is, knowing that this alone will open me up to the new. "22. Say yes to your open door." What new opportunities are knocking on your door? Rest is not something I need to earn. Take a self-care day. Number 29. Perfect timing, auspicious clockwork, planning, and patience. Unfortunate, struggle, disorder, and resistance. Number 24. Focus on your health, wellness, active, radiant, and nourishment. Neglect, lethargic, melancholy, and excess. Silver Dragon illuminates your potential with higher light. Access untapped resources. Look into your soul and see higher possibilities. And our last cards for today. Monster Cave. Choose love over fear in every moment, knowing that love is the highest vibration of all. Alrighty, let's pick some quotes out of here today. Eric Berg's perspective: the truth is, you'll never get healthy without addressing diet and nutrition. But the crazy thing is that medical professionals rarely focus on diet at all. Perspective 1001. When you become a parent, remember your voice becomes one of the two things. It will either whisper you are worthy or scream you are not enough. Will your voice be the critic they spend years trying to silence, or the anchor they come home to when the world is too loud? Perspective 307. The child who truly respects you feels safe questioning you. The child who fears you wouldn't dare. The first becomes a leader, the second becomes a follower. Remember that the minute you take your first step into the life of your dreams, the first to greet you there will be fear. Nod and keep walking. Perspective from Seattle, Washington, number 410. Most people are sick. Most is preventable. We cannot normalize this. Be weird. Invest in your health. Get obsessed with good sleep and real food. Try meditation. Spend time in nature. Our lives and bodies depend on it. And the last one today. Repeat after me. I am open to new and wonderful relationships. I am loving, loved, and lovable. I attract love and happiness into my life. I am grateful for the love and joy in my life. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Do more of what brings you joy, joy, joy. What is one activity or hobby in your life you truly enjoy? What about it brings you so much happiness? Make sure you schedule more time to do that activity this week. Don't make excuses. Just do more of what brings you joy. Kindred, tribe, ancestry, chosen family. Hardship, may I embrace what's happening right now, as baffling or painful as it is. Help me, God, to trust where you are guiding me. I am yours. Number 30. Unicorns. Spread the light of unicorns. Have you ever heard that everyone has their own personal unicorn? What do you think about that? Do you believe in unicorns? Number 5. Befriend your fear monster. What are the things that bring you fear? Have you dug deeper to find out why? And number 18, listen in stillness. You meet your true self. Number 4, divine dragon. Number 37. You decide to wake up, or else, why did you draw me? And this card fell out. Uriel, red, number 11. Emotions, healing, devotion, integrated. Apathetic, wounded, unfulfilled, and divided. Alrighty, let's pick the red envelope since we were talking about red. Perspective number 68. Too many of us had tried to tone down our weirdness for friends or partners, only later to learn that we were suppressing the best things about us. There's no joy like the joy of being your strange self, finding that there are people who love you for it. Absolutely. Casey Kenny's perspective. Sorry for living a life of mischief and shenanigans instead of playing it safe. It's the only way I know how to be. What kind of shenanigans are you going to get into? I'll hold you where the world didn't. Receive the good and bad that comes your way with interest. Why is this happening? I don't say no because I'm busy. I say no because I don't want to be so busy. And the last one today. Dr. Happy's perspective. I made a mistake, but I am not a mistake. I am capable of change. Read that again. Let it land. Self-forgiveness isn't letting yourself off the hook. It's the first step towards doing better. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.